Magandang araw sa lahat. So, ngayong araw na ito ay tinuldukan na ng pamilya ni Lloyd Cadena ang mga haka-haka ng maraming tao. Ngayon po, araw na ito, 4 oras pa lamang po ang nakakalipas, ay kinumpirma na ng kanyang pamilya kung ano ang tunay na nangyari, kung ang sanhin ng pagkamatay ni Lloyd Cadena. Sinaad ito sa kanyang official na YouTube channel na Lloyd Cafe Cadena. Ito ang nakasaad sa pahayag ng kanyang pamilya. There are simply no words to express our heartfelt thanks for the prayers and sympathy you have extended to our family during this time of loss. Lloyd was confined in the hospital on September 1st due to high fever and cough. He was tested for COVID-19 on the same day, which the result came out positive on September 3. As soon as the result of his swab test came out, our family, including me and T, immediately isolated themselves. His vitals were okay and had no complaints. On September 4, 5 a.m., he was seen by the staff unresponsive and pale looking. As informed by the doctor, he suffered a heart attack while asleep. He was cremated yesterday, and his remains is in our house in Cavite. In the meantime, all expressions of sympathy, including flowers and cards, are welcome. You may send them to our address at number